If you're like many people who are interested in trading options, you may be wondering, how can I fit this exciting pursuit into my busy schedule and trade with a 9-to-5 job? Fortunately, with a little creativity, some smart strategies, and schedule planning, it's entirely possible to make options trading a reality given your current time commitments. In this video, we're gonna deep dive into the world of options trading, exploring many different ways that you can get involved with various beginner level strategies, plus some advanced techniques you can all do with your 9-to-5 career. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, build up that nest egg, or just trade and show your friends you can do this without your boss noticing, this is the video for you, showing how to do it, showing you how to plan it out and get it done. And with the right guidance and support, you can make it work in no time. So let's get into a quick overview of options trading. And options are a financial derivative that give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset like a stock at a predetermined price within a specified time frame. And unlike traditional stock trading where you're buying and selling shares, options provide a unique opportunity for higher returns and potentially limited risk. They can also act as leverage, amplifying your returns while capping your losses if set up the right way. Bottom line, they are a fantastic way to supplement your 9-to-5 income. So let's get you started on this exciting journey. Now, I tell you this from experience, one of the biggest challenges of trading while working full-time is managing your time effectively. Balancing your job, your personal life, and trading can be daunting, but fear not, because with proper time management, you can conquer this challenge as well. And as we progress through this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step timeline of how to structure your day if you want to trade full-time with your current job. To begin, we need to determine the optimum time slots for you to do things like analysis and execution, read the news, and also make your actual active trades. And it's essential to set this up in a schedule that's going to fit into your day-to-day life and synergize with everything else you have currently going on. So it's quite likely that your schedule will be a little bit different than mine and a little bit different than somebody else's, but it's going to make the most sense for you and work with your day-to-day commitments. Here's how we can dedicate focused time blocks into your trading activity so you can ensure you stay on top of the market, on top of trends, and make well-informed trades. If you're working a normal 9-to-5 hour day, here's the schedule that I would recommend as a beginner to get you up and going. 6:45 a.m. It might sound early, but you got to get up, get out of bed, and review the latest news in the financial markets. 15 minutes total is all you need to do. Then at 7 a.m., you have 15 more minutes of researching potential stocks for the day and analyzing their charts and looking for different kind of trading setups that you want to trade. This is made super easy for you if you already have a watch list. If you want to know how to build a watch list in Interactive Brokers, the trading app that I use for my trading, check out this video right here. So the total in the morning is only 30 minutes of activity. Then you get yourself dressed, ready for work, eat your breakfast, get your kids off to school, and get out the door, do your own day-to-day stuff. So from 6:45 to 7:15, that's trading research time. So now that you're at work, you're there 8:30, 9 o'clock, whatever it may be in the morning for you. You have your workload in the morning, get that stuff done, but then you're ready to take a break around 10 a.m. And this is the block of time where you're going to be able to make your first set of trades for the day. The market opens at 9:30. We don't really want to trade around 9:30 as a beginner because there's too much extra volatility and some wild potential moves. So 10 o'clock, the dust is kind of settled out and the market has generally picked a trend for the day. This is where having one of these puppies right here comes in quite handy. If you can trade from your phone on your mobile, it becomes a lot easier to do this on your break. So at 10 to 10:15 break, looking to make your active trades in the market. So maybe you make a couple trades at 10 o'clock, maybe you don't, maybe you wait till your lunch break, because we're going to go back to work from 10 to 12, do your thing, focus on your company, get your stuff done. 12 o'clock lunch break, you only need 15 minutes. Again, go back in the market, see what's going on. Are there any setups that you like? If there are, make your trades then and go back, finish your lunch, crush that Wendy's hamburger, get back to the grind. And now in the afternoon session from 1 till 3:30, your post-lunch kind of session of work, don't worry about your trading. You have just an eye on the clock around 3:30 or whenever you take your afternoon break, that 15-minute session, go back in one more time. I like around 3:30, 3:45 because the market closes at 4. So I want to get in there one more time, see what's going on right before the market closes and kind of pick up the trend for the potential next day as well. After that, it's your last block of work for the day. 5 o'clock hits, ring that bell, slide off the brontosaurus like Fred Flintstone and get in your car and drive home, see the family, see the kids, spend some quality time with them, get dinner in you. And then if you want to, 8 o'clock to 8:15, understand your trades, journal them, see what went right, what went wrong, and kind of give yourself an idea and a game plan for the following trading day. Now that last block is critical. Make sure you journal your trades and write them down. Every good trader that I know does this, and it prepares them better for the future by actually going back and reviewing what went right, what went wrong in their current trading day. After that though, 8:15, you're off the clock, no more work for the day. You can spend it doing whatever you want, relax, unwind, crack a beer, crack a bottle of wine, whatever it may be, watch your favorite show on Netflix, and just get back and relax, get ready for the next day. Total time investment for this kind of strategy is only 90 minutes a day, and that's for the beginner. Once you understand what you're doing and have a better foundation underneath you, you can cut that 15-minute time down to 5 for most of these things and trade under 30 minutes a day if you want to do so. And remember, this schedule can be tweaked however you need to make it work in your life. This is the key thing. It's finding a schedule and a routine that works for you, that you can stick with and be disciplined to. That's the long-term goal here. Now that you've got the schedule figured out, let's dive into some low time commitment option strategies that work well for busy professionals. These are the types of strategies that are going to allow you to actively participate in the options trading world without extensive time and effort. First, we've got what's known as selling covered calls. It's a strategy that generates income by selling call options against stock that you already own. So you sell a call option on stock that's already in your account, and you give someone else the right to buy those shares at a predetermined price known as the strike price within a specified time frame or expiration date. By selling these call options, you receive a premium, also known as cash or immediate income. This strategy is perfect for generating additional income from your existing portfolio, all while maintaining a full-time job. This can be done in under 30 minutes a day once you know how to execute your trades. And the best thing is you're just trading on stocks that you already own and love. If you want to know more about how covered calls work, like a deep dive, make sure you subscribe to my channel and check out this video right here. Another low time commitment strategy is using vertical spreads. This strategy allows you to limit your risk while still participating in the market's potential move. And a vertical spread involves simultaneously buying and selling an option of the same type, either both calls or both puts, on the same asset or stock with different strike prices. The key with this strategy is that you can define your maximum risk up front and you know your potential profit as well. Vertical spreads are particularly useful for busy traders who don't have the time to sit there and monitor their account all hours of the day. You get to manage your risk and still have a defined profit potential, so it's a win-win for those of you trading with a full-time job. Now, my favorite option strategy while working a full-time gig is through the selling of put options or naked puts. This is a strategy that involves selling put options without owning the underlying stock, which can be a lucrative approach for generating income. When doing this, you are essentially agreeing to purchase the stock at a predetermined price known as the strike price once again, but only have to do so if the stock price falls below that level. This can be a great way to enter a position on that stock at a discounted price, plus you get paid to take on the risk of potentially having to buy shares. It is important to know though that selling naked puts does come with a bit of additional risk, so it's crucial to understand the ups and downs with naked put writing before implementing this strategy. These are 3 of the top option strategies that I would use and currently do while working a 9-to-5 gig. And the keys for you is to pick the strategy that you understand, the one that aligns with your goals the best and fits into your daily schedule without compromising other things in your life. The beauty of options trading and using your phone to kind of do that is the flexibility. You can tailor your strategy to match your schedule, match your risk, and your personal preferences. Not everyone has the same availability day to day, so it's essential to find what works best for you. Plus, you have the option, total pun intended, to trade from your desktop, laptop, or your phone and take this show on the road. Bathroom breaks just became a way for you to build your own golden throne. I've got a whole video series here on YouTube showing you step by step how to trade options right from your phone. Check it out now.